Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Java JDK 26 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. To download the software in Google search box right there JDK, then go on this oracle.com site. Then you can get the different version. For here, Linux that's selected. There we need to download this Debian file, Debian package, dev file we need to download. So click this and now you can see JDK 26 Linux bin dev file is currently downloading. And when you are using this Red Hat Fedora, then you can go for RPM file. So here you can see this is the status JDK 26, and there you can also get the compressed archive file, this RPM file, okay, and this here another 64-bit compressed archive file. Now this almost done. So thereafter, let's click on this sign folder. Now right click on this rename, and there open the terminal. So when you open the terminal, if you write ls, then you can see this JDK 26 is there. So there are two ways to install this dev file. First is, let's try the sudo apt install. Give the complete file name. So JDK 26. Now press enter, give the password. So reading package, this doesn't work. Okay, try this another. So writing there sudo dp kg minus I for install. Press enter. So this you can see unpacking, preparing, and currently this is unpacking this dev file. So this command doesn't work. Now this command is working. Sudo dpk aiz. Now this done. Thereafter, let's open their terminal again. If I write there Java minus minus version, so you can see 26 version that I just installed with the help of this sudo dpkg and there. After that, when you write this Java, this all that's come there. Java C also come there. Okay. So by following this approach, you can easily install the Java 26 on this Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.